Okay, so you just got a new Meshtastic device. Let's get it up and running.
You've unboxed your new hardware. You plug it in and, well, nothing happens, right?
Don't worry, that's normal. Most boards don't come with the software already installed on them.
You've got to flash the firmware. Think of it as installing the brain of the device.
And here's the best part. You don't need to be a coder or anything like that.
All you need is your web browser and the official Meshtastic web flasher. It's super easy. The whole thing is just 3 simple steps, and you do it all right from that website.
So what happens if it just won't connect? This is the #1 issue for beginners.
9 times out of 10, I promise you, the problem is the USB cable you're using.
See, you need a cable that can handle data, not just one that's for charging things.
So before you get all frustrated, just try a different cable first. It usually works.
Once it's done, you'll see that magic moment. The screen will finally light up.
And boom! Your node is officially alive and you're ready to pair it with your phone.
Oh, and a final tip. Try to keep your firmware updated. It's good for the whole network.
So now that it's on, what are you going to build with your new off-grid communicator?